name is Jason. Changes to the house allowed us to have a lot more room for gatherings and space for our guests. It made it a lot more functional as people kind of hang out in the island where it was where most of the people hang out anyways. I think that's the biggest change.
We do a lot of entertaining, so it just made it very difficult to have people in one room blocked off by a wall. So the functionality before was a disaster, although it was nice, but it was just not what we wanted.
So the entire process working with the Veterans Built Homes, it's been very smooth. From the start to finish, the communication was constant with the project manager. The attention to detail by the crew and also their workmanship. Leo was a fantastic part in making this project happen. And then Mark and Joe making sure that all the required materials were in place on time and made it a very quick and easy process for us. I would definitely recommend Veterans Built Homes to anyone looking to redo their home in the area and are looking for good workmanship and a company that they can trust in making their project come true.
Yeah, I mean, without a question, anybody who's looking for renovation, let us know, because you're not going to beat these guys.